name is Paul Basolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 7, Section 4, number 16, which reads a minus b equals 12 and b over 2 equals 10. What is the value of a plus b? What's the easiest way to do this? Well, if you notice this equation, you've only got one variable. So if I multiply both sides by 2, then what I get, the 2's cancel on the left, and I get that b equals 20. So if b equals 20, I could plug it into a minus b equals 12, and I get a minus 20 equals 12. And then you add your 20 to both sides, and you get a equals 32. Now, notice 32 is an answer choice. The question is not what is the value of a, it's what's the value of a plus b. So you've got to add 20 and 32, and you get 52, which is your correct answer, D. By the way, as soon as you see the question is what's the value of a plus b, you could probably bet your bottom dollar that it's not answer choice A, at least, because usually what they'll do is they will list a value of A and or a value of B, and then of course they're going to list the sum of those two because that would be the correct answer. In fact, oftentimes the correct answer is the sum of another two answer choices. We do not see that in this case. We could also get creative as far as getting our answer for a question like this. How can we get creative here? Well, I will show you. So I'm going to make a little line and we're going to do a little work underneath. And if we get rid of all of this stuff over here, that's ugly. But now this you would not need to use for this question, but you could use it for another question that you would, the way we just did is really the way you want to do this. But if you had no idea how to solve this, a minus b equals 12, the question is what's a plus b? So what I could do is I could test out the answer choices doing a system of equations. And I'm just going to test it out with the correct answer, and we'll see how that would work. So if a minus b equals 12, question is what's a plus b? You can make a plus b equal 52. And then when you add it down, these cancel, you get 2a equals 64. Divide both sides by 2, a would equal 32. And if a equals 32, then you have 32 minus b equals 12. You get negative b equals negative 20, subtracting 32 from both sides. Multiplying both sides by negative 1 would give you b equals 20. And then you could plug it back in here. 20 over 2 is 10. It works out. So that is your correct answer. I would not recommend doing that for this, but for another question that you don't know how to do and you got to find a way to solve it to get it right, it's a possibility. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with these types of systems of equations. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.